grade. So you're going to need a few materials for this mobile. You're going to need some cardboard. I just cut a rectangle out of a box. So you can use a box for your cardboard. I'm going to use some string. I need 3 pieces of string. 3 pieces. About the same length, not too short. And you're going to need some tape. Let me grab my tape. So we're going to take our strings and we're going to lay them across our cardboard like this, kind of even on both sides. I'm going to lay one this way. And this one's a little bit longer, so I might trim it a bit. And then I'm going to lay one in the middle. Now I'm going to tear off 3 pieces of tape. 1 piece. Well, that one didn't work out. Sometimes tape sticks to itself instead of what it's supposed to stick to. Stick one there. I'm going to tape this string to the other end. And I'm going to tape this string going this way in the middle. Okay? And we're going to see if we can make this balance. And if we can't, we're going to move the string around until it does. So if I lift this up, with these 2 strings together in the middle, it's not balanced. It is hanging crooked. So I know that I need to move my string a little bit. It is not in the right position to balance itself. Balance means that it should be even on both sides. And it's still hanging a little bit crooked and hanging sideways. So I'm going to move the string over this way a little bit and see if I can get it to balance. And sometimes, oh, there it is. I got it to balance. So now, that's the trickiest part of this. And once you get it to balance, I would go ahead and put some tape, some more tape on either side of the string. That way, it doesn't move on you after you've gotten it balanced. Okay? So, the next thing you're going to need is some stiff paper or cardboard, if you'd like, to draw your objects on. So you're going to think of 4 things that you're interested in. And I have 2 pieces of paper here, so I'm going to fold them both in half. And I'm going to draw 4 things I'm interested in. A circle. And if you can imagine this brown and black, it's going to be a chocolate chip cookie. And then I'm going to draw something that looks kind of weird, but it's going to have lots of colors on it. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. That's the rainbow around that. That's because that's going to be a paint palette because I like to paint. Okay, what else? I would like to draw a book. Okay, so there's words on the page. Okay, that's 3 things. And the Shizzle likes to bowl. So that's a bowling ball. So then I'm going to cut out all 4 objects. And I can color the other side of the objects also. I didn't take the time to do that, but you guys can take your time to color everything and make it look really cool. Do your best work. Remember, when you're cutting, turn the paper. So I call it driving the paper. You keep your scissor hand still and you drive your paper. Now move the paper around as I need to be able to cut those curvy parts. Okay, so I have 4 objects that I'm going to tape onto my sculpture. Okay, which is my mobile, right? So I need 4 strings here and more tape, because that's the easiest way to get this project done quickly, because we've been working very quickly in the classroom these days. Okay, these 2 strings get tied together, and then you have your mobile. And I'm going to show you how it dangles. Okay, so then you're finished with your mobile, and then you choose a spot for it to hang so that it can move around